Hello, it's Chili Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to be using some of my custom colours that I've mixed up for this week. You can Photoshop that because it's just custom colours mixed. You can screenshot it. I've explained it on a previous video, so I don't want to go through it all again. They're just some custom colours I made up, and the blobs of what I added. I do not do measurements. I just add a bit, stir it up. If I like it, I add a bit more. If you know, that's how I come to my colour. I don't measure anything. So that's just the way I do it. So today I am going to create, hopefully, kind of a waterfall effect. It's going back like over a year when I used to love to do these kind of waterfall effects in my pores. So I'm, you know, going back in time. Okie doke. This is absolutely gorgeous, called Coastal Beach. So it's a turquoisey blue colour, absolutely beautiful. So I'm doing a really easy peasy lemon squeezy kind of technique, which is very good for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this is kind of the ones that I used to do. You know, after a few months of pouring, they were like came easier than other things for me, you know, to get nice results, to give you encouragement when you're new to acrylic pouring. It's always nice to do things that kind of work out. So having said that, I hope this one does today. This is a different mix to what I did back then, because I always used to add silicone to my paints, and I have no objection against silicone whatsoever. It's just that I've been finding that the pouring medium that I make up myself and adding a good dash of Floetrol to it gives me all the cells I need. They're more lacy cells than actual circles with, you know, cells within colours. They're more laciness. So if you wanted actual cells, then I would just add maybe 2 drops of the Helmar silicone is what I use. I just add 1 or 2 drops only to each cup of paint and stir if you want those nice round sort of juicy looking cells. But I have not added that today, but that is a brilliant cell maker. Okie doke. So now I'm going to go the cool blue, which I added a good blob of metallic gold, and it gives this, I'm calling this my shimmering ocean because it's all shimmery, and it's just the most gorgeous colour from that mix of the cool blue and gold. But not too much gold in that one, only because I'll show you the other colour that I did where I put more of the blue and gold together, and it sort of goes like a greeny emeraldy colour, which is lovely, more than lovely. Just got this last bit. Probably by the time you will have seen this particular video, I will be probably back from my holidays, because I'm doing I'm preparing 7 videos. So for the 7 days I'm away, I will have videos to leave for you, and I'll be able to sit in front on the beach and answer hopefully, you know, answer comments still to you. I've got a bit of a chunky bit on that. Let's get rid of that. This one was a good, mostly the metallic, it's the antique metallic gold from Global, and then I only added a tiny bit of the cool blue. So I'm calling this one Golden Beach because it's still goldy, beachy looking, but it's got the most amazing shimmer in it, which is beautiful. So definitely beachy themed colours, because I'm going to be at the beach soon. I'm going to catch up with our daughter and the children up north of Queensland, where it's the weather still stays quite warm up there, so that will be nice. Not too hot, so all good. Do I want a bit in there or do I want a bit in there? So yeah, I've been busy doing my videos and having a great time. Actually really enjoyed myself in here doing my videos. Then I'll edit and I will upload them to YouTube and schedule them so they come out one each day that I'm away. So yes, you can do that when you've got a channel. There's no need for it. I don't have to do it. Of course I can have a break, on my own boss, but I just love to. Yeah, so I'll still be able to interact with you guys while I'm away, which will be nice. Nice for me anyway. This is a little bit darker. I think this one is just the turquoise in the global. It's a little bit darker. I'm not sure if it's dark enough. Probably not really dark enough for a contrast there. So I should have probably done a bit more of that dark blue. But anyhow, I think that's going to be really super duper anyway. I believe so. I sort of want it to appear like a waterfall, but it will probably not turn out anything like that because I mentioned that to you. So I did have another, which I've called the Emerald Coast, which was, I started off with 50% antique gold and 50% the cool blue, but it was too dark, so I then added more gold and it took it to this gorgeous emerald green. So I'm calling this my Emerald Coast. I probably do not need this at all, but I'm just going to put little blobs of it here and there. I will be tilting a lot of this so to cover the rest of my canvas up. So, but those colours are something gorgeous, I believe. Rightio. Slap my hands, pull me away from the paints. Always go overboard. Okie doke, let's just tilt this just nice and gently. Just tilt it so all the paint is covering your canvas, but just gently, so it's not sort of running right over each other. So I'm just going to give it a gentle tilt either way, so I'll get it to cover right over the bottom of my canvas, so the paint's run over the edge. Just work your corners, take it back a little bit, and I'll work this one. Oh, those colours are just beautiful. I would have liked more of that dark blue. I think I should have done a bit more of that the cool blue as a contrast, but you know, it is what it is. Let's just see how we go. Wow, wow, wow. Love those colours. I mean, almost just tilting it like that looks a really nice beach scene when you put it up that way. So that is another thing that I've done in the past. Was just layer the colours like that and tilt till you get the scene that you want, and you can manipulate it to, you know, look like a beachy scene or whatever. So just centering it. Got a big glob there, so I best get my little tweezers if I can find them. There they go. This is just a bit of chunky paint, so not a problem. Oh, it is a bit of a gubber. No worries. A little bit there. Oh no, that's all fine because I'm going to swipe it to hopefully look like the waterfall effect. I'm going to just try my normal white, and I'm going to try and do smaller, not one whole page at a time, the smaller swipes, so it kind of gets the effect of pouring water. But as I said, it could turn out completely the opposite to how I envisage, usually does. So I love my soft plastic file dividers for this kind of work. So they're just soft plastic file divider you get from Office Work store. And you can get quite a lot of them for very good price. So this is my white pre-mixed just in the same way with the pouring medium and Floetrol mix. So I'm going to just put a bit of this and see how I go with it. I want quite a good covering. Start with the wider one here. Let's see how we go. Might not get any cells. Oh no, they're coming through. They're coming through. Oh gosh, that colour is beautiful. So come on, waterfall, come on down. Oh my gosh, I remember why I love these so much now. That is beautiful. Alright, I will continue with the white, and I do want to put a good dash of white up there because I want the white to, I want the white to feature in this piece of art too. I'm happy to keep the white at the top. So just wipe off your file divider or your swipery tool so you don't bring any of the other colours like I just did through it there. And just take it nice and easy, relax and drag it through. Beautiful. Now I'll do a few finer ones. Just nice and relaxing. Those colours are just stunning. Stunning. I'll try and use a thicker one that will get that whole section there then. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh. Seems like a while since I've done one of these with these lovely colours like this, so it's always nice to revisit something that you've loved in the past, a technique. Where are ours? Now, keep all my plastic over out of the way as I end up losing it, folding it up with my used paper. Okie doke, now my Wonder Wand. I'll just go over and burst the air bubbles. Hopefully bring up some, the colours are to die for. I must admit they are gorgeous. Why there's not so many coming up in some areas than others, but that is absolutely fine because I really want that white frothiness to be a feature in this particular piece. Hey, look at this. That is beautiful. I'm going to bring you down. Come on down. Have a look at this. Have a looky-see.